Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Redbird's not included to this battle. Dun 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 whoa. Dun dun. I wonder what Redbird changes into. Dun 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 dun. Whoa! You have fire on your head. I never seen you like that before. Yep, I do that. Dun 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 dun. I guess what Yellowbird changed to. Whoa! Oh, that is epic. You like it? Bluebird? Dun dun! Whoa! That is weird. I wish I had a helmet. And what does Big Redbird look like? Dun. All you are is green. I wonder what Redbird is. So let's go. No. Oh, my headphones. Okay, sorry, my headphones fell off. Okay, I guess I'll take my headphones off until the video's over. Okay. Bunch. I guess I will even get a closer look at Nigel. I'll put my headphones back on. Okay, there we go. Ha ha ha! I am Nigel. I came back from space. And why did you land here? Okay, so let's battle! Mama! We know Nigel, he made me at the door knock. Oh, we're coming back. I hate angry families. Thumbs up if you like Mario. I can't see myself. I can't see Thumbs is like Mario. I hate Angry Bird families like this. There's Nigel. There's Nigel. Nigel! We hate you! No! Thumbs up. Penelope's making! She took her Mario suit off! Oh, yeah. Your days of destroying people's planets are over, Nigel. my doll. Well, you know what? You want me to destroy your planet? No, please. Blue is there. Okay, it's a good point. But Blue could just come here. Mario's head up! Boom! Mario, why did you even come here? Ow. Thumbs up if you like Mario!